Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a board with Miro templates in 2025. Templates are a fast way to set up ready-made layouts for brainstorming, planning, and team collaboration. Step 1. Log into your Miro account and click Create New Board. Step 2. Once the board opens, look at the toolbar on the left and click on Templates. Step 3. Browse through the available categories like mind maps, flowcharts, Kanban boards, customer journey maps, and more. Step 4. Click on a template you like, then press Use Template. It will automatically appear on your board, ready to edit. Step 5. Customize the template by adding sticky notes, shapes, text, and images. You can move sections around to fit your workflow. Step 6. Invite your teammates by clicking Share at the top right so they can edit and collaborate with you in real time. And that is it. You just created a board with Miro templates in 2025. This saves time and helps you organize ideas more effectively. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.